Our top story, well, news coming in from the Supreme Court, which has slammed those who have hit out against those speaking against the film Padmavati, saying that the Supreme Court says that persons holding responsible posts should not comment, also slamming those holding public office commenting on the movie when the certificate is yet to be issued. The Supreme Court said when a matter is pending or going to be decided by the censor board, no one holding responsible position or public office should comment. This tantamounts to creating a sense of prejudice in the minds of the censor board. The Supreme Court saying all of this and the back of the film being indefinitely postponed, and a series of violence we've seen against the film everywhere, and of course chief ministers of many states also speaking out against the film. A. Vaidyanathan, my colleague, now joins us for the very latest on this, where there are strong comments there from the Supreme Court. Essentially, of course, many would think this is a comment against many of the chief ministers who have been talking out vociferously against the film, and that could, as the court said, tantamount to creating a sense of prejudice already with the censor board.
Yes, in fact, this is the third time the Supreme Court is taking this issue. Twice it has already dismissed. Third time today, the same advocate, Mr. M.L. Sharma, wanted the court to intervene, saying that the film is likely to be released overseas in London and it should be stopped. At that time, Mr. Harish Salve, appearing for the filmmaker, said that they are not releasing the film because if you release in London, automatically it will get a pirated copies landing in Delhi. At that time, Chief Justice of India, Justice Deepak Misra, asked the two government lawyers who were present in a different case and said that it's completely disturbing. Some people holding responsible posts in an indication to the Chief Minister who have already commented on that movie, saying that how can they comment on a movie? The film is present to the Central Board of Film Certification, which is yet to take a decision. If you make all these comments, it violates the principle of law, and it may even prejudice the minds of the members in the CBSC. And it told the law officers it's quite serious and the vital issue, and it's almost disturbing. So at the end, the court said, even slammed the lawyer, saying that how can you file a petition filing a PA like this without getting the details, without even the film certification issuing a notice. So in a direct attack on the chief minister who had made comment, the Supreme Court says you please keep quiet, don't comment on it, because already the situation is not good, and the board film censor, the film certification board is yet to take a decision, and court says please don't comment, and it hopes that everyone will abide by the rule of law.
That's right, Vaidya. Thanks a lot for joining us with the very latest on what the Supreme Court has to say about the Padmavati Rao, essentially asking people holding a position of power not to comment till the censor board decides.